how great outdoors would improve your productivity. We all stay more or less in concrete jungles, urban concrete jungles, wherein we surround ourselves with slab and concrete. We also feel that we need to take a break. So in spite of working for 4 or 5 days in a week, we wait for the weekend, take some break, and then get back to work again from Monday. In spite of doing all of these things, we often feel that we are getting passivated along the process. We feel that our concentration ability is diminishing, our attention span is decreasing, and we feel that the productivity or our potential is diminishing as time unfolds. A recent study which was published in Harvard Business Review has proved that even glancing at nature during your work, just glancing at meadows, glancing at green areas would improve your concentration ability, would improve your attention span, would improve your productivity. In fact, they have done a study on 150 subjects, and they have given them some tasks, and they have divided the group of subjects, 150 subjects, into 2 groups. One group was made to sit in a room which is obviously made of concrete, and the other group was exposed to natural areas like meadows, green pastures, landscapes, etc. And the results were quite interesting and intriguing. The results have been in such a way that that particular group which is exposed to this greenery, their concentration and productivity has improved by 8% on their scale. On the other hand, the other group which is exposed to only the concrete rooms which we are often living in fact, their concentration abilities decreased, their productivity decreased by mere 6%. So by this you can understand the role of nature, and the scientists have given a reason saying that the moment you start looking at nature, you need not really apply any kind of effort in order to observe the details over here. In the process of working, we need to really push ourselves, pay more attention, try to focus more and more on certain aspects, and in the process we get drained. We are forcing ourselves to do certain things. It can be because of several reasons, but the moment you get exposed or you have a view of nature, then you need not really struggle to focus on the greenery. So nature is fascinating. We can just feel that relaxation the moment you start observing green areas, and that itself would improve your concentration and productivity. So that's the reason which has been mentioned in that particular study, as I said, which was published in Harvard Business Review. So the gist of this entire video is, if you're really feeling frustrated, if you're feeling that your productivity is not improving as time unfolds, if you're feeling that your concentration ability or your attention span are diminishing, it's time for you to check outdoors. And great outdoors doesn't mean you have to go to a hill station. It can be even green grass, it can be even a hill, anything which is nearby, which is accessible to you. Having a glance, spending some time there really would boost your productivity. If it is not even possible for you to go to a specific place because of time constraints, research also proved that at least having a screensaver of nature would boost your productivity. Right? So having great outdoors would obviously improve your productivity, and you'll have that peace of mind. And most importantly, as I mentioned in one of the previous videos, there are certain things which are worth more than gold. This is it.